but unfortunately the account of 100k is about to get burned. Try to don't do the same mistake that I did in the past. We have minus 1% in this trade. We zero out. It complete our basis momentum. What I thought didn't happen, but happened after the stop loss. So it was totally strange this week. Assalamu alaikum family. I just came back from Madrid. It was a very interesting, very nice trip. Visiting to my friend Datar पाजी स्पेसिफिकली उसके लिए गया था ताकि उसको मैं चीज़ें समझा सकूं ट्रेडिंग के बारे में और जो चीज़ में उसको ज़्यादा डाउट है वो ज़्यादा क्लियर कर सकूं and then we went to another place that was Avila and we enjoyed there with another friend that taught me another things about trading. He has almost 14 years of experience in trading. 11 साल का था वो उसने ट्रेडिंग स्टार्ट की थी कहता मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि तुम मेरे बच्चे हो और अभी हमने फोकस करना है इस वीक के बारे में ठीक है बहुत कम न्यूज़ है मैंने दातर पाजी के साथ ये ट्रेडिंग एनालिसिस कर लिया है जो हम क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं दिस वीक के लिए लेकिन हम दोबारा करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ On Monday we have holiday. On Tuesday we have CPI of July. That means year CPI, and it came positive. That means the reaction is negative. Then crude oil inventories we don't have nothing. Home meeting minutes nothing. Thursday we have initial jobless claim that came more. That means it's worse. We have positive on manufacturer PMI. We have negative in S&P Global Services PMI. And we have existing home sales that came better. So we have 2 positive, 2 negative. Then on Friday we have some positive reaction on USD because we have positive news on new home sales. We have CPI that came 0.4 in comparison on the previous one. We have 2.8 in the trimmer CPI year. And then we have the median CPI that came 2.5. And the other one that I already told you is 0.4. We can expect a bullish momentum in CAD. We have on Friday, we have negative news for NSD and we have CPI on GBP that came more. That means GBP can go down and GBP go up against JEN. और बेहतर है कि अगर इतनी वोलेटिलिटी नहीं है वो वाले ट्रेड्स लो जो हम कंसिडर करते हैं कि अच्छे रिजल्ट दे सकते हैं हमको. On Friday, while the market was about to close, we had this trade open in our personal account in zero out. The thing is, this is what I expect. This is something that I draw on in the morning. What I can expect for this pair, this case, is a bearish momentum right over here, coming from this place, because we have a bullish momentum on zero, on GBP, on NSD, and our NSD. We can expect from here न्यूज़ आए कि दोबारा नीचे चला जाए और दोबारा ये डंप हो जाए ठीक है ये फर्स्ट एनालिसिस है या दूसरी एनालिसिस ये हो सकती है कि सीधा मार्केट ओपन हो फिर ऊपर जाए और ये दोबारा नीचे चला जाए दिस इज व्हाट आई कैन एक्सपेक्ट ओके आई एम बुलिश इन दिस मोमेंटम और अगर मैंने आज रात को देखा कि ये मोमेंटम अच्छा नहीं है आई विल क्लोज द पोजीशन एंड आई विल सिक्योर एंड I will just put this sell limit right over here. The trade of the week will be GBP NSD because we have negative reaction on NSD and we don't have any news about GBP, so we expect a bullish reaction. And then we're gonna look at GBP NSD, GBP yen on 50 minutes, the strategy of 50 minutes after the backlash that we had last week of 5 stop loss. But yeah, it's part of the process. I am happy with that and I am not complaining at all. See you on Monday. We have too many things right now to do and first of all, I am quite hungry. Let's go for more profits and have a good start of the week. Good morning family. Hope you are well. Here is how we are going in zero out on Monday 19th of August 2024. This trade is right now running in almost break even. After this bearish momentum at night, we hit our stop loss of the week, GBP NSD, but unfortunately the account of 100k is about to get burned. After 3 months dedicating to this account, almost three months, I bought it on 25 May, I guess, I am not sad at all. I am not mad at all. I am just being curious about. Yeah, I was dedicating all the time to that account, and now it's done. Now the best chance to start another account is starting with less account. In that case would be 10,000 account, and start doing step by step and try to reach the point that I was 1 year ago. This morning I thought कि थोड़ा बहुत होगा sad क्योंकि ये account 100k का मैंने बंद कर लिया, लेकिन I am totally opposite. I mean, with good mentality, I know where I fail. I know कि मैंने जब शुरू account में बहुत अच्छा किया था, I was in 4% profit, 4k profit, but then I started going downhill. And in this 3 months, because almost 3 months हो गए this account में, I learned too many things. I know what I am capable to do, but ये दिमाग में कभी कभी बिठाना चाहिए कि जब हम 10,000 के अकाउंट में या 25,000 के अकाउंट में हम ट्रेड करते हैं, हमारा दिमाग को कुछ नहीं होता, लेकिन जब हम 50 या 10,000 के साथ ट्रेड करते हैं, फिर हमारा दिमाग थोड़ा बहुत हिल जाता है और हम गलतियां कर बैठते हैं जो हमें हम रिकवर नहीं कर पाते हैं. तो that would be the punishment that I have to give me. Try to don't do the same mistake that I did in the past. We have minus 1% in this trade in euro out. It complete our basis momentum. So in this month we are up 1%. Don't worry, everything will be fine. I hope we create a new momentum for keep focusing for the basis momentum. This is the company where I buy the funding account, FundedLions. This is a Pakistani company. This is the CEO. It's from Lahore, and he's banned in almost all the prop firms because he's too much profitable, and it has good reviews. And I took this one, Leo challenge. I have to do 8%, and then I have to do the 5%, the phase number 2. I took this one. Good morning family. Hope you are all well. 20th of August 2024. We had a stop loss in this position. First stop loss in the new account. We are in minus 1%. And the down momentum of euro out, we are just seeing live what is happening right now in the price. जितना भी ज़्यादा क्लियर आपकी चार्ट्स होंगी ना, उतनी बेहतर है आपके लिए. ये भी हम डिलीट कर देते क्योंकि हमको पता चल गया कि मार्केट क्या कर रही है. We will look into this position. Let's see if this week we get this trade or the next week. Let's see. I am just attending a webinar about trading with my mentor, and euro out took me a sell in this place, but it didn't open because of 0.9 pips. Let's see for this moment on euro out. Meanwhile, let's keep focusing, keep learning about trading, fundamental analysis and news. Hello family. Happy Wednesday, 21st of August 2024. Euro out opened my position in the morning after having this down momentum this past night. And the second trade that we have in the funding account, it's Euro USD that is currently in drawdown. The first thing is I don't want to trade multiple times during the day because something that happened to me और कल सोच रहा था very deeply ये है कि GBPN में मैं रात को सो नहीं पाता क्योंकि अगर बाथरूम में जाना होता है सुबह के टाइम जब 4-5 बजे तो मैं उठता हूँ, चैट्स खोलता हूँ, मोबाइल के क्या कैसे होती है और मैं देख रहा हूँ, and that is not good for my health. And I have to trade good with patience and not be anxiety in 4 hours the time frame that I have to. And even though अगर एक चीज़ ठीक जा रही तो क्यों चेंज करेंगे. आसानी ये होगी कि मल्टीपल अकाउंट्स लो और उनमें डिफरेंट ट्रेड्स लो, ठीक है, डिफरेंट स्ट्रेटजी में हम नया टेक ओवर कर रहे हैं 10 के अकाउंट. We are already -1 because of the trade that I took on Monday, on Tuesday, yesterday, and I don't want to take any more trades on GBPN. We're gonna take trades in our 4-hour time frame. Something interesting new comes ahead, guys, and that is what you are seeing right now. To put it simply, the current administration has lied about creating 800k jobs to inflate its economy outlook. That means gold is still bullish and USD economy is still bearish.
This is something that never happened. This is preliminary annual benchmark revision for the 12 months ending March. This is the worst in 2024, and we can predict that is very worst for the US economy. I think when this happened, we hit our stop loss on Euro USD. Here is the result. Euro USD is completely bullish. We thought we were gonna have, after the high that we created at night, we will having some form of short, but neither that happened, and Euro out right now. It's currently after the pips in profit that we had in the couple of hours ago. We are now having a drawdown in negative. Let's see how it works, but we were waiting for having a down momentum after what we are having right now, because our USD has to go up and NSD as well. Hello family, 22nd of August 2024, Thursday. Euro out. I really don't understand what is happening, because USD CAD is going all the way down, and GBP out after the news that we had in the morning on GBP that we're gonna talk in few minutes. Euro out is doing something very difficult to explain. It hit almost stop loss and then came back all the way because of the negative news that we have on Euro, and now it create this support that in this broker we can't see properly, but here in Euro out in another broker we can see properly the support, the entry point. But in this case the trade that we had to take would be this one, and here it gave us our trade. But since I don't know what is happening in the market, I closed both of the trades that I have in the funding account and my personal account, and leave the profit of 0.90% in this case in my personal account in this month, and in the 10k account we are currently in minus 1.90, I guess. Let's take a look on the news. We have 3 bad news for Euro and 1 positive, and then we have 2 news positive for the GBP, and then we have that reaction on the market that gave us that bullish momentum. We are on New York session, and let's take a review what happened with the news. The unemployment rate came what we expected, okay, the correct 1k. The PMI of August came worst, but then the PMI that came of services come much better, and the second hand house also came positive, and we are right now having positive news. We can take a review of what's happening with Euro USD. We are having this down momentum. I didn't take this trade, okay, I'm not going to take any more trades for this week. Euro out, अगर हमने ये वाली ट्रेड ली होती अभी हम दोबारा ये वाली रिकवर कर लेते, बट ये जो आपको ये इधर से नज़र आ रही है ना, इट वॉज द अदर एंट्री पॉइंट दैट वी कुड हैव, लेकिन हमने ये ट्रेड ली नहीं थी क्योंकि वी हैड सम नेगेटिव न्यूज़ ऑन यूरो द beginning of the week because of the CPI, and we were expecting having this short that was almost about to complete, but finally it was about to hit our stop loss, then came back, and now it's coming up. And DXY is right now, this is the analysis I just did. DXY just are pumping from the 101. It came all the way down yesterday and now it's going wildly up. I was expecting these 3 scenarios: 101, 100, 500 and 1000. So in this case, this first one is going wildly up.
Hello family, final day of the week, 23rd of August 2024, and we are just live in the symposium or in the Jackson Hole where Jerome Powell, the president of the Fed, are speaking, and I think he's going to talk about what happened a couple of days ago जब मैंने publish की थी कि 800,000 employment उन्होंने नकली बनाई थी ताकि market ऊपर जा सके. Before that, let's take a review of what happened this week. For me, it was very bad week, not because of the analysis, it was because just what I thought didn't happen, but happened after the stop loss. So it was totally strange this week. GBP NSD, as we जैसे मैंने बोला था आपको, we were expecting this long. In this case, it came all the way down. because NSD ऊपर जा रहा था. अगर ये trade खुला होता तो मजा आया होता, लेकिन it didn't open. So here we have the minus 1%. After that, on Monday I got very angry, and then I put 1% in GBP yen. That happened all the way here, and this is Monday, and I was at 7:30. Here I had a long position waiting for having this retracement, and then it went all the way down, create a support, and then it goes up. After 3 months, I was desperate to try to achieve that account, but it was impossible. This was the analysis for Euro. We were expecting after the stop loss that we have because on Friday it opened this trade. It came all the way up on Monday, and then it went all the way down to the stop loss. Then we were expecting the opposite movement. It was a short, but in this case it goes all the way up. It was about to hit stop loss and then all the way down, give us a long and then go up. But we didn't take this trade because my brain was not working at all, and I was at gym at that time. Market is going wildly up because something is saying, this man. Market is expecting 3 trade cuts or 0.25%. कुछ भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि ये बैंड के रखे कुछ भी मैनिपुलेट कर सकते हैं. अगर उन्होंने मैनिपुलेट किया डाटा एम्प्लॉयमेंट का तो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. वी कांट एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग. इस वीक हमने और कोई ट्रेड नहीं ली. बस इतना कह सकते हैं कि वी स्टार्टेड अ न्यू जर्नी इन FundedLions. We expect to do the right thing using the strategy of 4-hour time frame. We're still 1% positive in this month of in my personal account. I have to update this table, this whiteboard, and see you guys in the next vlog. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, and before everything, वीडियो पसंद आ रही तो बंदा कमेंट कर देता है क्या चीज़ें बेहतर कर सकते हैं, क्या चीज़ें नहीं, और ऐसे हम इम्प्रूवमेंट करते रहेंगे. अल्लाह हाफिज़.